Bonsoir, donc bonsoir la bienvenue sur Bolanda Blog Oyo. Donc nous sommes à Birmingham. Donc in the fête, donc 50 ans de graduation. Donc nous célébrons le lot. Nous sommes en famille, nous sommes en tante pour. Nous sommes en tante pour bien ça, pour nous être en fête donc dans la voiture. Et toi Naminata, moi c'est papier dans Sima. Moi on est fait pour la Molili. Mais j'espère que tu es à la bien, tu vas enjoy. Donc, on ne pas appeler Simwinda. Tantôt pour le bonsoir, non?
Oui, bonsoir.
On ne pas regarder la caméra. Terminément, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
On ne pas se faire à BMW. I love it.
Est-ce qu'on peut se mettre debout s'il vous plaît? Tournez côté le massif s'il vous plaît.
Yes.
Bonsoir.
I greet you all. We love you. Today we are extremely happy because my dad, he done his degree and then he done his master's. He finished. Now, my mom, she's 50 years old now. We are extremely happy because our dad has made us proud. He showed us an example and his grandchildren. He showed his grandchildren what way to follow. If he can do it, and they can also do it.
I just want to tell you,
Papa,
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you. You took the Shema.
You set an example
for those who want to study. If you do it, you can also do it. At the beginning, when he said you go to university, he said that you won't handle it, leave it. Patrick said that you won't be able to do your assignments. You said I'll do my assignments. Today I'm proud to say you've done your assignments by yourself without our assistance.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you. Today I know if my son is helping his assignment. Talking on that disponibility, I know you can do it.
I'm really proud of you.
Je suis très fière de toi.
And I'm sure, Mom,
I know, Mom,
you will
also finish. I believe it.
Next year, we will celebrate Masters.
Next year, we'll celebrate your Masters.
September, it was a degree graduation.
September will be your degree graduation.
I'm so proud of you, Paul.
Je suis très fière de vous.
And I want to say thank you to everyone.
Nous avons fait ce merci. As you came, you came to celebrate with us. God bless you and add more.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the night.
Merci. Enjoy the night.
S'il vous plaît, now we need your gift. If you got some presents, please bring some of your presents, please. Thank you. Après, il y a votre liquide à Billy. Merci.
Merci. achievements.